teacher Sandra. What's your name?
My name is Messi.
Hi, Messi. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Messi, I have here a picture, and this is a classroom. Here's the ball, Messi. Can you point? Where are the bananas? Very good. Where's the clock?
Here.
Good job. Where's the radio? Very good. How about the teacher? Good job. Now, Messi, what's this one?
Zebra.
It's a zebra. This one?
Cow.
Very good. This one?
Hamburger.
Very good. This one?
Pen.
Very good. This one?
Guitar.
Very good. This one?
Crayon.
How about this one?
Elephant.
Very good. This one?
Trouser.
Trousers. Good job. Now, Messi, I want you now to put the trousers, okay, in front of the teacher. Okay, very good. How about put the trousers on the table? Okay, put the trousers under the table. Very good. Now, Messi, look at the picture again. Okay, how many computers can you see?
It's two.
2 computers. And what's the boy doing?
Boy is sleeping.
Very good. Now, how about the bags? How many bags can you see?
Two.
2. What color are there?
It's red and yellow.
Okay, very good. Now, Messi, I want you to look at this again. Look at the 8 pictures. Where's the cap? Where's the cap? Very good. Now, do you have a cap?
Yes.
Yes, you have. What color is your cap?
It's blue.
It's blue. What are you wearing now?
It's t-shirt
T-shirt and a...
and a trouser.
Very good. Now, how about the pen now? Where's the pen?
Yes.
Very good. Now, do you have a pen?
Yes.
Okay, and how many pens do you have?
One.
1 pen only. How about the burger? Do you like burgers? What's your favorite food?
It's fish.
It's a fish. Okay. How about the zebra?
Here.
Good. Do you like zebras?
Yes.
What's your favorite animal?
It's tiger.
It's a tiger. Very good. Now, Messi, I want you to eyes on me. Let's talk about you. Do you live in a flat or in a house?
It's house.
You live in a
House.
house. Okay. And who live with you? Who lives with you?
I live Vietnam.
Okay. And who? You live in Vietnam. Who lives with you? Do you live with your mom?
Yes.
Yes. Who else? Do you live with your dad?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Messi, what do you do with your friends?
I play badminton with my friends.
Okay. And where do you watch TV?
Yes.
Where?
In the house.
In the house. Okay. Where in the house? In the kitchen?
No.
Where?
In the living room.
Okay. Can you give me a high five? Okay. Goodbye, Messi.
Goodbye, teacher.